the iconic roar of a V8, the whine of a sequential gearbox, and the subtle turbo flutter are all fundamental elements of traditional car culture. And the immersive driving experience. With the rapid ascent of the electric vehicle, however, that visceral symphony has been replaced by the unnerving sound of silence, creating both a safety issue and an emotional void for the driver. EV manufacturers are now engineering a new auditory reality, using digital technology to either replicate the familiar past or boldly reinvent the sound of the future. The initial motivation for manufactured sound is purely safety-driven, addressing the risk posed by nearly silent vehicles to pedestrians and cyclists. Governments worldwide have mandated the Acoustic Vehicle Alert System, AVAS, requiring all new electric vehicle models to emit a specific level of noise at speeds below 20 miles per hour. This system ensures that the car's presence is immediately communicated to surrounding traffic and non-drivers, solving a critical liability created by the absence of traditional engine noise. Beyond the mandated safety sounds, EV manufacturers have focused on bringing back the engagement that a driver associates with speed and performance. This is where active sound design, ASD, steps in, using sophisticated algorithms in the car's speaker system to generate dynamic feedback inside the cabin. ASD monitors real-time data from the vehicle's CAN bus, including speed, torque, and throttle input, to synthesize a corresponding audible tone that enhances the overall driving experience. One major design philosophy centers on replicating the classic engine noise, aiming to provide a nostalgic connection for transitioning enthusiasts. Automakers rooted in muscle car culture are attempting to digitally recreate the unmistakable deep rumble and aggressive exhaust note of a combustion engine. This approach acknowledges the powerful psychological link between a specific sound signature and the perception of raw performance and mechanical integrity. A prime example of this replication strategy is Dodge's use of the Fritzonic chambered exhaust system, which uses woofers and resonators to project a V8-like sound both inside and outside the new Daytona electric vehicle. This technology proves that the brand recognizes the engine noise itself is a non-negotiable part of their brand identity and a huge selling point for their customer base. They are, in essence, selling a modern digital sound with the heritage and emotional weight of a classic internal combustion engine. The second and often more innovative philosophy involves reinventing engine noise, embracing the future with unique, futuristic soundscapes. Designers are leveraging composers and sound engineers like Hans Zimmer for BMW to create otherworldly sci-fi tones that articulate electric power in a new, distinct way. These ASD themes move beyond simple mimicry, instead creating a dynamic sonic signature that is entirely new to the car culture landscape. Brands employing this futuristic approach, such as Hyundai with its N Active Sound Plus system, offer different sonic themes, including evolution and the highly aggressive supersonic mode. These sound profiles not only change pitch with acceleration, but even simulate the feeling of a gear shift, providing haptic and auditory feedback that tells the driver exactly how the electric performance is being delivered. The development of these custom sounds serves as a crucial new form of brand differentiation in a market where electric powertrains are becoming mechanically similar. The technical challenge lies in perfecting the psychoacoustics, the study of how humans perceive sound, to make the synthetic engine noise feel organic and genuinely responsive. Engineers must ensure the sound is tightly coupled to the accelerator pedal, avoiding any perceived latency that would ruin the illusion and break the immersive driving experience. The goal is a highly sophisticated auditory mask that delivers emotional performance cues without creating annoying noise pollution. Ultimately, the issue of sound in the electric vehicle era has shifted from a physical engineering problem involving mufflers and exhaust headers to a complex software and audio design challenge. EV manufacturers have recognized that the emotional connection to a car is multisensory, and ignoring the auditory aspect means sacrificing a key component of the driving experience. Whether through replicating the thunder of the past or reinventing the whir of the future, sound is now an essential and permanent feature of modern car culture performance. That's it for this episode of the DriveContact podcast, your dose of car culture. Don't forget to subscribe, leave us a like, and visit our website for more content. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time.